Out on the kayak today on Lake Dunn. Alright, let's see if we can catch any bass. I didn't bring anything to catch anything else, so see how it goes. Swim bait with a white paddle tail and the Lose Mock Smash. Trying that out. It might be hard to tell on camera, but around those trees right there, if you go around that way, there's a little cove. I'm probably gonna make my way over there and try and fish. So far, threw the Ned rig a few times, peanut butter and jelly colored. Hadn't had any luck. Alright, let's roll over here and try the Ned rig. Well, no fish. And it's time to start heading back in. If you were wondering about this Pelican catch mode kayak, I got mine from Academy. It was like 8 something. They go on sale every now and then. Really great. Highly recommend.